you look here. You look here. Hi, I'm Jasmine Choi, and I'm one of Malaysia's team managers. And this is Vanessa Cheah.
Hi everyone.
And Vanessa is an advisor. And today she's going to show you what you're going to do.
I'm going to show lemon curd.
Lemon curd.
Yeah.
So lemon curd is technically difficult if you do it on the stove, but very easy if you do it in a Thermomix, right?
Definitely.
Okay, why?
Just dump everything in and then set the thickening mode, and then you just go and do your own stuff. In 12 minutes it's done.
And when you cook it at what temperature?
80 degrees.
80 degrees. And the reason why you cook it at 80 degrees is because it doesn't become scrambled eggs.
Correct.
But instead it becomes really, really smooth. Okay, so we're going to start now.
Yes. Lemons,
right.
3 eggs, sugar, and butter. That easy.
That easy. 4 ingredients. Alright.
4 simple ingredients. So I'm going to start cooking now. Alright, clean and rinse the jar.
Okay, that's done.
Yep.
It's very, very clean.
Yep.
Alright, next.
Alright, so we're going to put 240 grams sugar.
Right.
Okay. Putting in the sugar.
Okay, 240 grams. What next?
Which is the 150 gram freshly squeezed lemon juice.
Wow, you must have squeezed a lot, right?
Yeah.
How many?
2 lemons, actually.
Let me see the 2 lemons there.
Yeah. It's equivalent to 2
okay,
lemons.
so you squeeze all the lemons?
Yep.
Alright, those are very large lemons though,
yep.
right? Okay.
So put in the juice.
Some people like it really sour, some people like it sweeter, right?
Yep.
I notice most people like it more sour.
Yep.
Next.
And then 120 gram of butter.
Okay. So it says here unsalted butter, cut into pieces, which
I'm going to cut now and just dump it in in big chunks. Okay. Yep.
Just nice.
Perfect.
Next
3
one.
eggs.
3 eggs.
Normally I just break it in straight away.
Okay.
1.
What are your egg size?
Grade A. But I think grade B is also fine.
Alright.
Okay. And the 3rd egg. Done.
Okay. Okay.
Close it up. Okay.
So it says insert measuring cup means put the cover on.
Yeah. Put all this thing on.
Alright.
Close it up.
Okay.
Next. That's it. I just need
to 12 minutes, 80 degrees.
Thickening mode.
Thickening mode, and I just done.
That's it.
And I just wait 12 minutes.
Yes.
Ta-da! So now is the time that you use that time to clean up, lah.
Yeah, correct.
Right? Easy peasy. The thing is just done. Okay, let's have a look inside. Ooh. Done. So nice.
Yes.
Okay, what are you going to do with it now?
Usually I just share or I just eat it with toast or crackers.
Let's have a taste test.
Nah.
How about you? Do you have a spoon?
Okay.
Just nice.
Good size, right?
Right. It's very, very nice.
Not too sweet, not too sour.
And it looks like this, see? This is the texture that we want. Okay? And you have to dish it out really quickly, because if you leave it alone for too long, what happens is that it'll thicken up a bit too much. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.